Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi to all my viewers and listeners. Wherever you are, I welcome you. As you know that my name is Muhammad Masood Alam and I am English teacher, teacher's trainer, and English writing is my hobby. And further, as far as my qualification is concerned, I am Master of Philosophy in English Literature, and I am an certified British Council trainer as well. In my last video, if you have seen it, I have raised a certain question. The question was that how a child after coming into this world learns his mother tongue. And very interesting discussion was done by me, and I would like to just take that question further. I have given you the example that how a child just attaches or creates the links between the words produced by his mother or by his parents or his family members that are close in that house and the visuals. How? For example, the mother just tells this his son that are you thirsty? Okay, I am just bringing the glass of water. Then she brings the glass of water like this. This is a glass of water, as we all know. And she just pours the spoon into the glass and fills that spoon and puts that spoon into the mouth. Now what happens? The child just looks at the picture of the glass, looks at the picture. There is a glass. He sees that there is a glass, and the color of the water also he observes. And side by side, the mother says, water. Okay, water. Do you know water? Water. And she gives him the water. On the other hand, when she, for example, she says, oh, you are hungry. I think you need milk. And she just gives him the glass of milk. And what happens now? The child just sees the shape of the glass and the color of the milk, and now what the words are just changing. Milk. Mother says that this is a milk. Okay, now what the child do? The child just attaches or creates the links between the certain objects, their colors, and with the names. Milk and the color of the milk, water and the color of the water. In the same way, when we just have a small baby and we just take his finger and lets him walk a few steps on the ground, and when the child just falls down and we say, oh, you have fallen, stand up. Now we just create some kind of gesture, just we are standing up. And the child just when stands up, we says, okay, that's very good. Now what happens? He observes, he undergoes a certain kind of practice, that he has fallen on the ground. And what is a fallen? It means he is if he is just down on the ground, he is fallen. And when he stands up, and we just push him and supports him to stand up, and he just observes that this is standing basically. Now, why I am just giving you the example of these? I am just want to tell you before you people that how a child learns a language. He learns a language, certain sounds, words spoken before him. He just listens those words, and he observes the pictures. He observes the visual activities, visual things, and he attaches those words and the objects that is being brought before him. As I just put before you the examples of water, the shape of the water, and the word water, and he attaches, and then for the next time, whenever he looks at the shape of the water, he just recognizes that it's a water, it's not a milk. Now, for example, if the mother says, this is, oh my child, this is milk. Now what happens? The child looks at the shape and the color of this thing and the word spoken for this shape, for this color, and he attaches the word water, attaches the word milk to this shape, and then the shape and the color of the thing and the word milk, he creates a link in his mind. Now whenever the water just comes before him, what will the child say? He will say it's milk. And this is the reason that the child just gets fix the meanings of certain things, and deducing the meanings taken from the pictures, the visual activities, and the words spoken before him, and the links that he just creates and then fix it in his mind. So this is the way that a child learns a language. And another thing is that I just feel wonder that a mother who acts like a scientist. How? The reason is that she speaks time is again, repeatedly she speaks sentences, and repeatedly she acts. She creates gestures. The facial expressions shown by mother, and the words spoken by her, and showing the pictures of that thing. That's I have just shown before you the glass of water and the glass of milk, and then I just gave you the example of falling down on the ground and just supporting to him stand up. And in this way the child just recognizes the things and the actions, and then attaches the word that is spoken before him right at that time, the activities and the words. So in this way the child learns the language, and the mother just teaches the child the language. And this is the reason that after 4 to 5 years or 3 to 4 years, the child speaks certain things, that this is water, so this is water, and the milk, and this milk is if he just fell down on the ground, he says, oh, I have fallen. And when he stands up, he knows that this kind of activity has been performed by mother and by my father. In the same way, he recognizes the names and the things, and attaches and gets fix those things in his mind. And in this way the child learns the language.